Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sri Pujitanzila Risti, and my study number is 134. In this video, I would like to explain about lexicology and lexicography itself. Okay, first of all is I would like to share my PPT. I would like to share my PPT first. Okay. Okay, it is my name, Sri Pujitan Aristi, and this is my story number and lexicography. Okay, first, how does terminological triangle process based on terminological triangle diagram? Okay, terminological triangle. Terminological triangle itself is the concept of how an object is given a name. Okay, this is a terminological triangle, and in the triangle image aside is how the terminological triangle is processed. The first is a concept, like my mobile phone. Is in our opinion has a concept like what? First, concept by mobile phone, which is can be held by hand, does not have antenna, can be used for call and has a battery and can be recharged and can be shown everywhere. Okay. Furthermore is reference. Reference is a real object that we can see directly and can be touched. And last is representation. Is that what we take the name of the mobile phone itself from other country reference, such as in US is a cell phone, in the UK is mobile phone, in the other country is handphone. Okay, next is how does historical development in English dictionary? Okay, this is have 17 historical of dictionary. This the first is Old English. Old English it's like for Bible in Latin, and the second is the 15th century is more like English Latin, and next is 64. It's more like Hebrew, Greek, Latin, and more French. And in 1721 is explain etymology of word and include pronunciation. And it is my mistake. It is not include. And the next is 1775 is explanatory dictionary by Dr. Samuel Johnson. Words were illustrated by example from English literature. Pronunciation was not included. Help to preserve the English spelling in its conservative form. And the next is 1780. 1780 is First Pronunciation Dictionary by Thomas Sheridan. In 1798 is a first school dictionary. It use it is dictionary. Next is 1828. 1828 is American Dictionary of the English Language by Noah Webster. Attempts to simplify this spelling, provides definition, etymology, explanation about things, and the next is 1958 until 1928. It is New English Dictionary (NED). It have 12 volumes, include all words existing in the language. And next, 1895, it is Fang and Wagnall's New Standards Dictionary. In 1911, the Concise Oxford Dictionary of Current English contained only words of current usage. And the next is 1933. It is Oxford English Dictionary, OED. It is have 13 volumes, include spelling, pronunciation, detailed etymology, quotation, and a short Oxford Dictionary. 2 volumes, smaller number of quotations. The next is 1967. It is Random House Dictionary of the English Language. Number of dictionary, entire selection of hit words, arrangement, and contents of the vocabulary entry. The next is 1969. This is the American Heritage Dictionary of the English Language, the first dictionary to use corpus linguistic. And the 19th century. The title dictionary has been used for an increasingly wider range of reference words, from alphabetic but also thematic, general but also specialist, and monolingual but also bilingual and multilingual or polyglot, and from historical to pedagogical dictionary. And the last is modern, or at the same time, there has been a tendency for other terms to be used as designations for more specialist dictionary genre. Example, a thesaurus, encyclopedia, and terminological. Okay, the third or the last is how does a word get into a dictionary? In this part, it is more difficult or more general in my opinion. And the dictionary process is, first, we have some words that are often found in books, colonial language that were many used. It is, and we store in a database collection. Then check if the word is many users and found in various authors and cultures. Okay, it is have two variable. If not, it will be rejected and will be monitoring in a few years whether the word is still used or not. Okay. If this process is yes, then check it again whether the words is used by all age groups or only certain age groups. After checking whether the words is used by all age groups or only certain age groups, if yes, it is rejected and will be monitored again. And if it's yes, it will be. If it no, it will be checked again whether the words is only temporary or will still be used in the next 10 years. Okay. After this checking, and if this checking is yes, the check is yes, whether the word is included in the trademark or brand of a company. After this check, and the word is not entire the trademark, then if yes, be will be reject, and if it no, it can be active and passive. It is check. The next check is it can be active and passive verb or not. Okay. If the word can be if the word can be used as an active and passive word, it is just active and passive word. It will be answered the next stage. And if this stage it will not be can be active and passive voice, it is will reject. And it this word can be active and passive voice, the next step is to insert to the corpus and give meaning in the word. And the next step will be checked by an expert of its merit. And the next is creating OAD Oxford English Dictionary, licensed by the editor and entered into the data. After a long process, will be uploaded data by the editor to be included in the new data, and then the word can be entire the Oxford Dictionary and online dictionary. Okay. After that, the process is done and the words can be used and have a license of OED. Okay, I think enough for my explanation, and I'm sorry if my explanation is not more clearly and have a bad pronunciation. And thank you for watching my video, and see you on my next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.